Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA for like a year. My bad about that, but it's okay because I got a little surprise. I'm going to be unboxing something really special. So if you guys want to see what I'm unboxing, keep watching.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! Alright, let me wear my gloves because I am selling these. I don't want my fingerprints on them. These are the Black and Gold Air Jordan 1 highs, and they come out next Monday, so November 30th, and they're retailing for $170. Let me let y'all get a closer look. As you guys can tell, the entire shoe is patent leather from the front to the back. Close up, you can see that it has a metallic gold swoosh, and it also has metallic gold around the ankle. These also have gold stitching in the midsole as well. And as you can see, the Air Jordan Wings logo is also metallic gold. Now I know everybody's different, but you should be able to get your normal shoe size that you usually would wear. You should be able to get it in this shoe and it feel comfortable. Like I said, everybody's different, but it should be that way. That doesn't mean it's gonna be that way, but it should be that way. They do come with black laces, but they also give you gold laces as well. Since I'm not keeping these, I didn't want to bother them too much, so I didn't lace them. But I just wanted to show you guys how they look laced, so I just added in a picture. Do it with a tuxedo and a suit, or you can do it with casual clothing. It really depends on how you dress it up and like how your style is. But if you really have style, then you should be able to know how to dress it up even with casual clothing. Like I said before, these do come out next Monday, so they come out November 30th on Cyber Monday, and they are, like I said, retailing for $170. Another thing with these is that since it is all patent leather, when it creases, it is going to probably look a little crazy, so I would definitely be careful on how you wear these. So if you guys want to get these before anybody else, I do have one pair. I will be reselling them. They're a size 9 in men's, so if you wear a size 9 in men's and you want them, let me know. You definitely will be getting it before anybody else because I will be shipping it out this week. Like I said, they come out next Monday, so let me know if you want them. Just follow me on my Instagram and DM me for any inquiries. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and comment what you think about these shoes. Bye.